Guys, I want to show you how to quickly edit using Camtasia, a small video. Now, the first thing when I am also editing using Camtasia, the first thing I always come here under the cursor effects here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here. So I'm going to use this aspect here. Now, if I pull this one here, I pull it here, you'll see the cursor has put a highlight so that when I'm explaining something, somebody is able to see the direction of what I'm explaining or the cursor movement. Now I'll just reduce the opacity here on my right and in my right hand side here. There's more options where I can manipulate it. I can even change the size of the road. I can even change the size of the cursor as you see it's increasing, and also the softness of the cursor like so. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this thing here called cursor smoothing, so that when I'm explaining somebody, the cursor moves smoothly in the screen, as you see here. The cursor moves smoothly in the screen, so that when I'm explaining, the cursor is able to move smoothly in the screen. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this thing to zoom or to see the parts that I am watching, so that I see the parts that I am not able to talk. The first thing I always do, I always come here and delete the part that I'm not talking. So I'll come here and delete this. I'll play it. So I'll delete this part here that I'm not talking. So I'll come and delete it here and report delete, so that I remain with the parts that I'm talking. So then I also remove this part here that I'm not speaking, like so. I report delete so that it doesn't affect here. So I'll always continue. So also this part that is not necessary, I'll also remove so that it doesn't make the video unnecessarily long. I also remove that part there, and I'll also zoom. So I'll continuously zoom in, zoom out, and now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here at tracks, right click, and insert a track below, so that I'm able to add music. Now all my music are in the library here. I'll just select library here and come here and choose beats. Now all the music that I have, I'll just sample and double click. I'll do another video to show you how you can insert things in the library. So I don't like that, maybe I'll look for another one. Maybe I don't like that, maybe look for another. Maybe use this one. I just drag it and place it here in my timeline. Now the volume is so loud. Now what do? I'll just reduce it here so that it doesn't interrupt with the narration of the video track. So you see, so that it doesn't interfere with the narration of the track. Now I'll zoom in. You realize the music is not coming to there, so I'll come here, select this part, right click here and split select it, so that I remove this unnecessary part that there is no music. Then I'll just come here again, right click it, copy this music and duplicate it on the other side and paste it here so that it continues. I'll also come here and paste it here so that it also continues like so. So I'll also come here, and cut it from here like so. So I'll just zoom in so that I see clearly where I'm going to cut. So I'll right click here and split selected so that I cut here. Then I also remove the unnecessary part, the last part here where I'm not speaking anything. So maybe I remove this part here. I'll just select, highlight, then right click and press report delete so that it is gone. So I'll also do like that. Now if I want to add text, I'll come to annotations here, then I'll come here and choose all so that it gives me a variety of text that I want to add. Now let's say I want to add this one here. I'll just pull it here like so, and I'll just it will be there. Then I'll zoom so that it becomes clearly. Maybe I want to tell people maybe FB designing banner design. Now that is that. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I want the text, maybe here's the options of the text where I can manipulate the text or satellite. Maybe I don't want that font, maybe I want another font. So I'll just come here and choose another font by pressing that. Maybe I want this one, and maybe also, what about if I want to change the color of the background of the text? Maybe I don't want white, I want maybe something like black, but black, no, I want blue. I want something like blue. Maybe I want blue, so I'll come here, maybe purple. I choose purple. Now I also want the text to be have something like animation, so I'll come under behaviors here. I'll choose this one that I like to use here. Now if you want to use something frequently, you just put this star so that it becomes it goes into the favorite. Now if I play, see, it is coming, the text is coming with what is called now I can position the text here. Now as you can see, the text is having an animation where it is as if it is bouncing. Now that's how to simply edit with Camtasia. Then the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here after I'm satisfied with everything. I'm going to come to export. Then I'm going to choose local file. Then here I'm going to choose MP3 format. Okay, there are many options of how you can save it depending on how you're going to use it, but I'll use this one, which is standard one, with all this description of the of how it will be after you've exported. Then I'll go to next. Then I'm going to give it the name. Then I'm going to choose the where uh, I'm going to where the video will be after it has ended. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click finish. Then it will start to render or it will start to export. Guys, that's how to quickly edit with Camtasia and have your video.